this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I'm going to be playing with, well, it's also Shemodern Saturday, so that tells you what I'll be playing with. I'm going to be playing with some pigment powders. I'm going to be using the green gradient ombre. And I also, on my canvas, have some decals. I have two branches, which is one of their new designs. They have many out that Tina has just came out with. They are really super cool. And I have a bird. I'm going to call it a bluebird. On my index finger, I ombre the tip of it with the green, and I put a butterfly. My thumbnail has one of the branches on it with the tip ombre green. So that's what we're going to be doing. On my nails already, I have my base coat, First in Line by Sinful. On top of that, I have Sally Hansen's Color Therapy Make My Clay, number 120. It's a neutral. So that's what we're going to be doing, where we're going with this. So I'm going to put some water down on my canvas. 3 separate spots, since I have 3 separate decals. And put a drop down on the top of it. With the branches, they're a little bit longer, so you might want to put a little bit more water so that they do flatten out. But remember, once you go to put them on your nail, you don't need to have a soaking, what do you call it? Your nail doesn't need to be soaked, saturated. There we go. It doesn't need to be saturated. A little bit of water goes a long way on the nail. But while those are doing, we're going to ombre our tips. I'm going to take my green gradient powder. I'm doing two nails here. I've got a makeup sponge that I cut lengthwise. I have my Wet n Wild top coat clear, whichever you want to call it with them. I do it on the tip of the sponge. It is going to soak in. And we take some of the green gradient powder on the sponge. I will do my ring nail first. And just take it across the tip of your nail from side to side, creating the ombre look. I think this is a super cool look. You can ombre it as high as you want. Get me a little bit more pigment powder there. I think it looks really cute. I'm going to re-wet my sponge, pick up the rest of the gradient. And do my middle finger. I'm going to use a little bit more pigment. I forgot to turn my TV down. So let me do that. Very sorry, folks. You don't need to know what's on the boob tube at my house. I'm not going to top coat this just yet. I'm going to wait till after the decals are on my nails. You could top coat if you want to. I'm just not going to. As far as your sponge goes, you only use the tip of it. So what you can do is get a pair of scissors, cut the tip of it off, save this for your next usage. You don't need to waste the whole sponge just for one ombre. So I'm going to set that aside. I'll clean my palette up later with some remover. I will get my tweezers. I don't have enough decals out, folks. I just realized that. It's one of the branches. I'm going to try and put the bird above it. So I'm going to take some water on my nail. Not a whole lot. Take one of the branches. Sorry. And I'm going to lay that across my nail. I'm going to pat it down a little bit with my finger. And get some tissue. Normally I would grab Kleenex lately here because I really like using that instead of the cotton ball. And there we go with that. I should have put that one lower. So I guess that's how we'll do one on the middle nail. You can place these any way you want to. Whoops. Doesn't have to be the way that I do it. You can place them any direction on your nail you want. If you want to push them down, take out the excess water. Oh, we have some lifting going on. Whoop. Totally came off on my finger, so I'm going to replace this with the tweezers. Shoot. And I forgot to shut my sound off on my phone. Sorry about that. Most likely that is Instagram. Which check me out there, nailed at 67. My email is also nailed at 67 at gmail.com. I do like to hear from folks. But you can leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this mani. Or any of the other ones I've done. Now this is considered the layered look. I am going to get my bottle of acetone out and just dip my brush into it and get the edge of this down because the branch is just a little bit too long. I'll do that on both sides and it just kind of melts it away. Here we go. It's a little bit too long for the nail. I'm going to wipe my brush off with this little water thing that's here because I did just dip it in acetone and I don't normally. So I'm just going to rinse it this way, wipe it off, put it away for now. So there we have our manicure. I'm going to leave this nail bare. I am going to get my Pro FX Fast Drying Top Coat. I found this at Walmart. Moon Baby Nails turned me onto it. Give her page a look. She does a lot of great things with stamping. I'm going to put my top coat over my nails now, and don't forget to cap the edges of them. You got to seal your manicuring, ladies or gentlemen that are out there trying to learn how to do nails. Check it now. Make sure that it's sealed as well as the other ones. I already top coated this arm earlier when I was practicing doing that. And I hope you like this. This turned out really super cute, as well as my thumb. But I think this turned out really cute with the ombre chips, the butterfly, the blue butterfly. I've got the blue bird with the branch, and the branch on the other nail. I think this turned out really nice. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you have tried them, or if you're new to Shemodern, please check out here on YouTube, Shemodern. Check them out on Instagram, she_modern. Look up their website, shemodern.com. They have little videos, tutorials. Right now, she has got a sale going on until I think it's November 11th. Everything on the website is 50% off. Leave her a comment. Let her know that Just Nailed It sent you to her. I appreciate it. So does she. Her name is Tina. Well, this is the end of my video. I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.